up? How you doing? It's Rich, or Soulstar if you like. I respond to either one, doesn't matter. Anyway, today I learned about the Tom and Jerry reboot revival thing, movie, whatever they're doing, that started today on HBO Max. So today I'm going to be doing a quick little video about sketching them out, designing them, and all that. So Tom and Jerry has been around since like the 40s. It's like a very old series, you know, like Abbott and Costello kind of thing. So this is a really old series, but I personally did watch a whole bunch of them in syndication. They showed up a lot on Cartoon Network back in the 90s, a whole lot, and it was just a fun little series. I really loved the hell out of it. It just made me laugh like crazy as a kid, and I still like it in a way. But just show you how it started off. So when I did it, I started off with Tom first, since he's the most memorable. He's the most memorable character to me, in my opinion. Besides him, the dog, of course. I forget the dog's name. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna look it up. And what I did was give him a little expression, a little yep, here we go again type of expression, like yeah, we're doing this bull again. Here we go. Me and this dumbass mouse. Here we go. Here we go. And I was trying to get the ears right. The ears was actually a lot harder than I thought it'd be, because I thought it was more like a pointed ear for a cat, but it's more like going in around like a curve type of situation going on. I don't know what's all that about, but I did the best I could with it. And of course, went sketched it out, blah blah blah, did all the nice stuff. Then I started off with a hand that looked kind of I made Jerry. Jerry was actually pretty fun to make and the quickest one to do. I went back, I was like, you know what, give him a little thumbs up, like, you know what, hey, you tried, big guy, you tried. Tell him looking like, yeah, alright, whatever, dude. And of course, they're a classic duo characters. They've been around for, like I said, a long time. And today, they had a live-action movie premiere on HBO Max in theaters. I'll probably watch it on HBO Max. I got HBO Max. I'll go and watch it just to see it. I'm little Jerry as well. Then last minute, I decided to make it all halftone, so make it more pop a little better. But I like the result. So that's really it. And by the end of that, I ended up with this. This is the end result. The halftone. I really love this halftone. I'm a halftone guy. What can I say? But I love the way it came out. It looks really smooth. Makes the image pop out. And I got Jerry here doing a little yeah thing going on. But that's it. That's all I got for you today. I made a real quick video and a very quick and very nice looking sketch. I really love this a lot. And yeah, if you want to see more videos, I'm gonna links that somewhere on this screen. You'll see it eventually. Somewhere, I don't know. And also in my links in the description, I got my merch store, that's the Etsy store, and I got Patreon, and I also got my art commissions, that's most important. I really want to do art commissions. Really bad. Seriously, guys. I want to do these. But I'm just showing you all these, just to get you an idea of what I do and all that. Anyway, that's all I got for you today, so take care, alright? Peace.